Hi kids, this is Divya Chandwani and I welcome you all on Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. So kids, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to it now because this is the best channel if you want to prepare for your 9th or 10th board exams. So a warm good evening to all my dear students. I welcome you all on Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. So this is my introduction. My name is Divya. I have done my BTech in electrical engineering. I have more than 2 years of teaching experience. I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board exams, and I am a faculty in Kota, Rajasthan. So I welcome all my kids in this session. And today, what we are going to learn in this video, today I'm going to teach you Madam Rides the Bus. So, as you all know, this is a revision series of First Flight. Okay, so this is third last chapter of this series. Madam Rides the Bus. So, kids, before starting the session, let's quickly discuss the benefits that you all can get easily when you will subscribe to an academy. तो फर्स्ट इज डेली लाइव क्लासेस आपको यहाँ पे डेली लाइव क्लासेस मिलेंगी जहाँ पे आप अपने एजुकेटर्स के साथ लाइव चैट कर सकते हो इजीली अपने डाउट्स पूछ सकते हो नेक्स्ट बच्चों आपको मिलेगा लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस every week you will get live tests and quizzes so educators can check your knowledge and they can check if you are able to perform well or not. Third, you will get structured courses. That means you will get a structured and a design course for each and every exam. Okay, that means if you're preparing for any Olympiad, any exam, you will get a structured course for it. Next is बच्चों unlimited access. That means you will have access to all the educators teaching on this platform. आपके पास सभी educators का access रहेगा. That means you will have access to multiple educators. Okay, sorry. Okay, plus you will get PDF notes. Okay, plus all your doubts will be solved because fourth lecture of every educator is a dedicated doubt session. You don't need to worry about it कि मैम हमारे doubts solve होंगे कि नहीं. Yes, all your doubts will be solved. Okay, प्लस पे बच्चों आपको कौन कौन पढ़ाएंगे. ये है हमारी बेहतरीन टीम जो आपको प्लस पे पढ़ाएंगी. ओके, देवेंद्र सिंह सर, सिकंदर बेग सर, Deepak sir, Ankit sir, Dr. Bhavna ma'am, and so many other educators, the top educators across India. So now what you have to do is आपको करना क्या है बच्चों? Just download the Unacademy Learning app, choose the goal that is CBSE Class 10, and click on the Get Subscription button. It's that easy. Okay. So now kids, what you have to do is just download the Telegram app and search on Telegram Quest 10th CBSE. And then click on join. So this is the official channel that is Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. And if you want any information, you will get it in the group because all the information is there. All the links of all the YouTube classes, special classes are present in the group. So kindly join it fast. Okay. So now, kids, which subscription plan is best for you? Let's kindly have a look. So, kids, if you just want to prepare for your 10th board exams, only 10th board exams, then you can go for 6 months also. But yes, if your goal is if you want to prepare, if you see everything on a larger picture, that means अगर आप आगे का सोच कर भी चल रहे हो, you want to prepare for 10th and 11th both, then you can go for um, 12 months or 24 months. That would be best for you. But if you want to prepare for 10th, 11th, and 12th, all the three classes, then you should go for 12 months, 24 months, or you can even go for 36 months. Okay, 12 months. For 12 months, you don't even have to pay 15,000 rupees because you have this magic referral code that is Divya10 and you will get an instant discount of 10%. Okay, so instead of 15,000, how much you have to pay? Just pay 13,500 rupees. Okay, and for 24 months you only have to pay 22,500 rupees, and for 36 months you don't even have to pay 32,000 rupees. आपको बच्चों, yes, you heard me right, you don't even have to pay 1,000 rupees per month. Okay, 32,000 की जगह you only have to pay 28,800 rupees. So can you imagine, for 36 months you just have to pay less than 29,000 rupees. Okay, so that's the best deal. That means you are not even paying 1,000 rupees per month. So I would suggest all my kids, please do not waste your time and subscribe to an academy now. Okay. So now, kids, yes. So if your brother or sister, if they are in sixth, seventh, or eighth, then what you have to do is, and if you are in tenth, ठीक है, तो अगर आप सिक्स का कोर्स लोगे तो सिक्स से ट्वेल्थ की जितनी भी सीबीएसई क्लासेस हैं, you can access all the courses. If your brother or sister is in seventh standard, so go for seventh class subscription, that is seventh, eighth, ninth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. तो अगर आप सेवेंथ का सब्सक्रिप्शन भी परचेज करोगे तो भी आप सेवेंथ टू ट्वेल्थ के सारे कोर्सेज को एक्सेस कर पाओगे. ओके, सो दिस इज द बेस्ट डील किड्स. प्लीज डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम एंड सब्सक्राइब टू एन अकेडमी नाउ. ओके, चलो. So now, without any further delay, let's quickly start our chapter, that is Madam Rides the Bus. Okay, so the name itself justifies the title, that is Madam Rides the Bus. मैडम है उन वो बस में चढ़ी, बस में घूम कर आई हैं. she she sat in the bus and she enjoyed her journey thoroughly. But who was the madam? Was she a young lady? Was she a young girl? Was she a grown up woman? That we have to check out in the chapter. And those who have read the chapter already, quickly let me know in the live chat who was the madam. Okay. So now, kids, this chapter is written by whom? This chapter is written by Valikanan. Okay. So I have written the spelling wrong. I would just correct it. मैंने single L कर दिया था. It's double L I. Okay. So it's written by Valikanan. Okay. Chapter's name is Madam Rides the Bus. Okay. Now, kids, yes, let's quickly see the introduction of the chapter. The lesson, Madam Rides the Bus. Who is the most important character of this chapter? Yes, you heard me right. The most important character. And who is the madam of this chapter? Her name is Wali. Okay, her name is Wali, and she is a 8-year-old girl. She is only a 8-year-old girl, but she is quite brave, and she had a strong desire, and along with it, she has the courage to fulfill it. Okay, she liked gazing at the hustle and bustle of the street, and her favorite part was the sight of a bus arriving and departing. Okay, तो now उसको बच्चों एक बस में जर्नी करनी थी, because yes, she was only 8 years old and she has never ever um, sat in a bus, or she has never ever went on a journey in a bus. So she was really looking forward to it. उसका बहुत मन था उस बस में जर्नी करने का, जो उसके घर के सामने ही आती थी और पैसेंजर्स को छोड़ के फिर वहीं से निकलती भी थी. So bus used to come and bus used to depart, in front of her house. Okay. She liked gazing at the hustle and bustle of the street. That was her favorite part. Okay. So now, what is the meaning of hustle and bustle? तो जितनी भी वहाँ पे भीड़ भाड़ होती थी, she used to really like all of those things. उसको वो चीजें बहुत, जो हसल बसल थी वो बहुत ज्यादा पसंद थी. And actually that was the favorite part of the day. Okay. तो बच्चों, दैट वाज द फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द डे का मतलब क्या है कि पूरे दिन में सबसे फेवरेट पार्ट क्या था? जब उसको वो सब चीजें देखने को मिलती थी. व्हेन शी कुड सी द हसल एंड बसल ऑफ द स्ट्रीट, जब उसको बस का साइड, बस को देखने को मिलता था. सो दैट वाज हर फेवरेट पार्ट. ओके. So what is the meaning of hustle and bustle? Hustle and bustle means to move or act with a great show of energy. Okay. वही शोर शराबा बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी यू कैन से दैट इज हसल एंड बसल ओके चलो thus she developed a deep desire to travel by bus अब उसको ये सब चीजें देखते देखते उसको भी बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट आने लगा इन सब चीजों में एंड शी रियली वांटेड टू ट्रैवल बाय बस उसका बहुत मन था कि मैं भी बस में एक बार कहीं ना कहीं घूमने जाऊं but she was aware about it that I am just a 8-year old kid and nobody is going to allow me to travel alone okay so for that, she needed all sorts of information about the bus journey. अब वली ने क्या डिसाइड करा कि यार अगर मुझे घूमने जाना है, so I need to accumulate all the information about the bus journey. मैं ऐसे ही तो घूमने नहीं जा सकती हूँ, ठीक है? मुझे सब कुछ पता करना पड़ेगा. You know what is the fare, how much time it will take. So I will accumulate all the information and then only I will go. Okay. चलो तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर हमने वली के बारे में डिस्कशन तो कर ही लिया है दैट वली इज ऑलमोस्ट एन 8-year old गर्ल so I've already told you the name. Her name is Wali, and she do not have who did not have any friends to play with. So she would spend her time by looking at the outside affairs going on the street. उनके बच्चों घर के सामने से ही ठीक सामने से ही जो रोड जाती थी स्ट्रीट जाती थी that can be easily seen from her house. Okay, that can be easily seen from her house. So, you know, as she did not have any friends, so she used to enjoy what was her favorite part? Her favorite part was, you know, to look outside. So she used to enjoy the outside affairs. जो भी स्ट्रीट पे चलते थे वहां पे भीड़ भाड़ या लोगों की एनर्जी सबसे फेवरेट पार्ट क्या था उसका द मोस्ट फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ हर वाज टू वॉच द साइट ऑफ द बस ठीक है उसको जो बस के नज़ारे थे वो सब देखने में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था ओके her favorite part was to look at the bus that passed by her village every hour अब जहाँ उनका घर था जो उसका गांव था वहां से ऑलमोस्ट जो बस थी वो हर 1 घंटे में गुजरा करती थी इट गेव हर एनलेस इट गेव हर एनलेस जॉय to look at the new set of passengers each time the bus crossed by जितनी बार भी वहां से बस निकलती थी उसको नए नए पैसेंजर्स देखने को मिलते थे एंड दैट वाज एन एंडलेस जॉय तो ऐसी खुशी थी जो कभी भी खत्म नहीं हो सकती थी ओके सो ग्रेजुअली इवन शी विश टू ट्रैवल बाय बस और ये सब देखते देखते उसका क्या मन करने लग गया कि आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू ट्रैवल बाय बस वन डे Soon the wish turned into a desire, and therefore she made it her mission to fulfill it. पहले वो सब क्या थी उसकी विश थी कि यार मुझे ये काम करना है आई वांट टू डू इट एंड देन आफ्टर few days it turned into a desire strong desire मतलब इसका मतलब क्या होता है desire का एक ऐसी strong feeling कि मुझे ये काम करना ही करना है ओके उसने अपना मिशन क्या बना लिया उसने अपना मिशन बना लिया दैट आई वांट टू ट्रैवल इन दिस बस आई वांट टू गो टू द नियर बाय विलेज एंड आई वांट टू ट्रैवल इन द बस तो वो उसका मिशन था और वो अपना इस मिशन को किसी भी हालत में पूरा करना चाहती थी तो ना ऑब्वियसली अगर आपको कोई मिशन पूरा करना है इजीली तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बस सोचोगे और हो जाएगा so that was not the case yes she was a 8-year old kid but yes she was really courageous एंड बोल्ड क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि बस उसने मुंह उठाया और वो बस में चल दी घूमने दैट वाज नॉट द केस किड्स वो क्या करा उसने she started accumulating the information about the bus journey how much fare she needed how much time it will take okay where did it go how much time it will take the fare of the bus everything she wanted to know because she was curious because she wanted to travel in bus so she had an idea one day that what I'll do I will start listening she started listening to the conversations between her neighbors who frequently traveled by bus, and in the process would ask a few careful questions here and there to collect more information. Okay, so what she did, she started listening to the conversations between her neighbors. उनके जो neighbors थे वो usually बस की journey करते थे, उन्होंने अपने neighbors की जो conversation थी वो सुनना start कर दी, और कभी कभी वो उनसे कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चन भी पूछ लिया करती थी, जिससे कि उसको जो बस जर्नी के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए थी वो मिल जाए. ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक दिस, और ऐसे ही अपनी नेबर्स की बातें सुनते सुनते what she got to know. Okay, she knew that the town is 6 miles away from her village. तो उसके तो जिस विलेज में वो रहती थी और जहां से वो विलेज से वो टाउन तक जो बस जाती थी, दैट वाज 6 माइल्स अवे. कितना गैप था बच्चों? द डिफरेंस वाज ऑफ 6 माइल्स. ओके, so it was a difference of about 6 miles. Okay, and it took the bus 45 minutes to travel one side. अब village से उसको town जाना है, it will take 45 minutes one side. एक बार कितना समय लेती थी? 45 minutes जाने का टाउन तक. ओके, और टाउन से वापस आने का अगेन 45 minutes. तो वली को पूरा कितना टाइम लगने वाला था? वली को लगने वाला था पूरा 90 minutes to go and to come back to her village. Okay, to come back to her home. Okay, so bus took 45 minutes. ये सब information भी उसने अपने neighbor से पता कर ली थी. Okay, one sided fare was 30 पैसे, making it 60 for back and forth ride. अब बस जो है बच्चों टाउन में जाने के कितने पैसे लेती थी? बस used to take 30 पैसे to go to the town and to come back again 30 paise. So Wali need how much money? She needed 60 paise to travel in the bus, and 90 minutes was the duration to go to the town and come back. So you just need to remember this information, that it was 6 miles away from her house. It was 45 minutes to go and to come back. 45 minutes to go and then again to come back. That is equal to 90 minutes. Okay. One-sided fare was 30 paise. Okay. So now what she did, she started her plan. She started planning everything, that how I need to accumulate money. मैं कैसे पैसे इकट्ठे करूंगी? Okay, how I'll accumulate money. So she needed this 1 rupee coin, that is 60 paise. So therefore she started planning and replanning so that she could sneak out during her mother's afternoon nap. अब बच्चों जो उसकी प्लानिंग थी वो बिल्कुल जोरों शोरों से चालू थी, लेकिन उसने क्या डिसाइड करा कि मैं कब जा सकती हूँ? मैं कब जा सकती हूँ? जब दिन में So kids, what she decided, and then she decided that afternoon में तो it would be yes quite difficult for me जब तक मेरी मम्मा जग रही होती है. So when she will take her afternoon nap. आफ्टरनून नैप क्या होता है बच्चों? जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना झपकी, या फिर ऑलमोस्ट यून से 1-1.5 घंटे के लिए सोना, या बहुत लोग आधे घंटे या 40 मिनट्स के लिए सोते हैं जस्ट टू रिलैक्स, प्रॉपर नींद नहीं. So that is known as nap. So what she thought कि यार when I can sneak, I could sneak when my I could sneak only when my mother will be sleeping during the afternoon time. So what is the meaning of sneak? बिल्कुल बोलते हैं ना चोरी छिपे जाना, जिससे किसी को पता नहीं चले. That is the meaning of sneak. So when I can sneak, when my mother will sleep during afternoon. So when she will sleep at that time, I'll quickly leave the home, and then I'll again come back before she wakes up. Okay. She needed to save the money, which was not easy, as because she had to resist in the temptation of candy, पेपरमिंट एंड मैरी गो राउंड. अब ऑब्वियसली बच्चों के घर वाले जो उसे पैसे देते थे कैंडी और पेपरमिंट्स वगैरह खाने के लिए, तो वो अब वो सब चीजें नहीं कर सकती थी, बिकॉज हाउ मच मनी शी नीडेड टोटल 60 पैसे to go and to come back. So she needed 60 paisa to travel in the bus. So now she left candy, she left peppermint, and merry go round क्या होता है? फिर वो अगर आपने देखा हो ना जो फेयर तो भी मेले वेले लगते हैं, उसमें होता है सबसे बड़ा झूला रहता है ना, वो ऐसा जो गोल वाला रहता है, दैट इज नोन एज मेरी गो राउंड. So she can't go for merry go round. She has to leave her candies and then her peppermints because she wanted to accumulate her money. Okay, clear kids? यहाँ तक जल्दी से बताओ, quickly let me know in the live chat. Is it clear till here? जल्दी बताओ kids, quickly. Chalo. Now let's see what happened next. Yes, obviously, as I've told you, she was a really courageous girl. वो बहुत ही courageous girl थी. Okay, और बहुत ही brave थी. उसने बिल्कुल चालू कर दिया. बहुत ही determined girl थी. She started saving enough money, and one fine day, the brave 8-year-old took the bus during its not very busy hours. Okay, जब उसके बहुत ज्यादा बिजी आवर्स नहीं होते थे, दैट मीन्स जब मॉर्निंग में ऑफिस का टाइम होता है या काम पे जाने का टाइम होता है, या शाम को जब लौटने का टाइम होता है, तब जो है यूजुअली बस में, मेट्रो में, ट्रेन में बहुत ज्यादा रश हमको देखने को मिलता है. बट एज इट वाज आफ्टरनून, इट वाज नॉट द वेरी busy hours. Okay, so the conductor offered the little girl some help because obviously she was quite young. We all can see ऐसे लोगों के बीच में वो बैठी हैं. ठीक है, तो शी वॉज क्वाइट यंग, शी वॉज बहुत ही छोटी बच्ची. तो कंडक्टर ऑफर्ड हर हेल्प, बट शी रिफ्यूज टू टेक एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम द कंडक्टर और फेलो पैसेंजर्स. जैसे कंडक्टर ने अगर ऐसा हाथ दिया या फिर कुछ भी हेल्प ऑफर करी, तो वली एब्सोल्युटली सेड नो, दैट आई डोंट नीड योर हेल्प. उसने उस मदद से बिल्कुल इनकार कर दिया. ओके, so it was an amazing sight for everyone to see such a small girl all alone acting like an adult. अब वली was absolutely acting like an adult, और बाकी लोगों के लिए वो बहुत ही देखने लायक नजारा था बच्चों, क्योंकि उन्होंने भी कभी एक इतनी छोटी बच्चे को बस में अकेले ट्रैवल करते हुए नहीं देखा था. एंड वो छोटी थी बट स्टिल शी वाज एक्टिंग लाइक एन अडल्ट. किसी की हेल्प नहीं लेना, किसी से बात नहीं करना, दैट मीन्स दैट मेच्योर शी वाज. ओके, so the conductor was of the joking sort and thus referred to Wali as grown up madam. So now do you get it why the chapter is named as Madam Rides the Bus? Because Wali was acting in a in a grown up woman way. She was acting as she was an adult. और जो कंडक्टर थे, he was a quite funny person. तो जब वो उनकी हेल्प नहीं ले रही थी, तभी भी he did not even mind. और फिर he started cracking joke, और उन्होंने वली को कैसे रेफर किया, ऐसा नहीं कि कोई आंटी या आंट बोल दिया हो. He referred Wali as madam because she was behaving in a behaving like a grown up woman. Okay, short heightened Wali would stand on her seat so that she can see clearly from her window. Okay, अब obviously सब लोग जो थे, सब लोग की ऐसे seats लगी हुई थी. Everyone was आराम से sitting on the seat. Okay, everyone was sitting on the seat and talking or doing whatever. But Wali, she could not sit and see outside the window. ये seat है, तो ये window के बाहर आराम से देख पा रहे थे. But Wali could not see because as we can see in the picture, she was not a tall, because she was only a 8-year-old girl. Okay, तो उसने क्या करा, वो अपने सीट के ऊपर खड़ी हो गई and then she was looking outside the window while everyone advised her to sit for her own safety. बाकी जितने भी फेलो पैसेंजर्स थे, उन सब ने क्या बोला कि वली प्लीज सिट डाउन बिकॉज इट्स नॉट सेफ फॉर यू. तुम्हारे लिए सेफ नहीं है. अगर तुम ऐसे गर्दन बाहर निकाल के देखोगी या सीट पे खड़े होके देखोगी, इट्स क्वाइट अनसेफ. ओके, क्लियर है यहाँ तक सबको? Each time someone would poke their nose in her business, Wally would get annoyed as she did not consider herself a child. तो जब भी कोई बड़ा इंसान या जब भी कोई फेलो पैसेंजर उसे कुछ टोक दे या कुछ बोले, तो शी यूज टू गेट अनॉयड. वो बहुत इरिटेट हो जाती थी बिकॉज वो अपने आप को छोटा बच्चा नहीं मानती थी. ओके, यस, शी वॉज अ लिटिल child, but she did not consider herself a child, she did not want to be friends with an elderly lady who was worried about her because she thought she was not socially capable enough. अब जब भी बच्चों उसके उसके बिजनेस में उसके मामले में कोई टांग अड़ा रहा था तो वली को बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा था क्योंकि वो अपने आप को एक ग्रोन अप विमेन समझ रही थी। वो अपने आप को बिल्कुल भी छोटा बच्चा नहीं समझती थी। ओके। अब जो उसके जो पास में एक फेलो पैसेंजर थी, शी वॉज वी कैन सी हियर शी वाज एन एल्डरली लेडी। वो एक बड़ी लेडी थी। बट उन जब वो इंटरफेयर कर रही थी, जब वो उन्हें कुछ बोल रही थी ऐसा मत करो ऐसा मत करो, बिकॉज यू नो द लेडी वाज रियली worried about Wali. Okay, but still Wali did not like anyone's interference. Okay, क्लियर है यहाँ तक सबको बच्चों? Clear? Shall we move ahead, bachcho? Now let's see what happened next. How she came back. How was her entire journey? So let's check out that. Okay. Those who have read it already, quickly let me know in the live chat. उसके बाद क्या हुआ बच्चों? Did she enjoy her bus journey? What happened after that? What she saw outside? Okay. चलो, so let's see what happened next. She enjoyed seeing what was going on outside. उसे कोई अंदर किसी से बात करने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. She was just absolutely enjoying her um, the scenic beauty and the view outside. So she was enjoying it. ठीक है. She enjoyed seeing what was going on outside, and the sight of a running cow in the middle of a road was abruptly a funny scenario for her. और एकदम से क्या हुआ, तब क्या हुआ बच्चों? जो काव थी वो उनके, एक जो गाय थी वो उनके बस के सामने आ गई। ओके। So a bus came when she was busy in observing canal, the palm trees, the grassland. She was watching the mountains outside. She was enjoying the blue sky. She was just busy in watching all these things. And then suddenly a cow running towards the bus. वैसे यहाँ से भागती हुई बस की तरफ. It made her laugh and clap. And she started laughing and then she started clapping because yes, after all, she was a little kid and what we can expect from her. वो एक छोटी बच्ची थी सिर्फ 8 साल की. So she started clapping. The cow was not moving aside despite continuous honking by the driver. अब ड्राइवर कंटिन्यूसली हॉर्न बजा रहा है बट स्टिल जो वो काव थी वो उनके बस के सामने से नहीं हट रही थी. ओके. Now after some time, they reached the after some time they reached the town जहाँ उनको पहुंचना था. Wali was seeing the bright shops and the big crowd. और जब वो उस टाउन पे पहुंचे तब वहां पर वली क्या देख रही थी? Wali observed bright shops. She was really happy because for the very first time she saw such bright shops and big crowd. बहुत भीड़ लगी थी. Obviously टाउन आ चुका था. Passengers उतर रहे थे. So तभी उनको कंडक्टर ने क्या बोला कि आप भी नीचे आ जाओ. बट शी रिफ्यूज टू गेट डाउन द बस बिकॉज शी वॉज सो अफ्रेड टू डू सो अलोन. वो बहुत डरी हुई थी इसलिए वो बस से नीचे नहीं उतरी. बट एज कंडक्टर वॉज अ वेरी फनी मैन, he was a very helpful person. So what he offered even cold drink to Wali, that do you want to have cold drink as we have reached the town? But Wali even denied for the cold drink. She denied for the cold drink that I don't want to have it. She even denied the cold drink. Okay. Clear, kids? Okay. So she absolutely denied the cold drink that I don't want to have it. The conductor asked her to get down, but वो नीचे भी नहीं उतरी और क्या उसने क्या बोला? And she told the conductor that I would go back to my village in the same bus. मैं जिससे आई हूँ बस से इसी बस से मैं वापस अपने घर भी जाऊंगी. Okay. So now the bus started and then they were returning again back to Wali's village. But while returning, what she saw, she carried extreme enthusiasm. वो बहुत खुश थी. Again, I'm going back, super excited because of her so good journey. But then she suddenly saw a cow lying lifeless on the road. तभी उसने क्या देखा, एक गाय को अम, बिना जान के पाया, दैट मीन्स मरा हुआ देखा रोड पे. एंड कैन यू इमेजिन, वाज इट द सेम काउ और वाज इट अ डिफरेंट वन? जल्दी से क्विकली लेट मी नो किड्स, जल्दी बताओ जल्दी. आई गिव यू 1 minute. वाज इट द सेम काउ? और बच्चों जब वली वापस आ रही थी उस बस की जर्नी में, तभी भी वो हर चीज को सेम एक्साइटमेंट से देख रही थी. वेदर यू नो they were the mountains, whether it was the blue sky, whether it whether they were the trees. So she was observing everything again with full excitement. ऐसा नहीं कि second time आ रही हो तो उसको बिल्कुल भी क्रेज नहीं था देखने में. नो, शी वॉज ऑब्जर्विंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अगेन. बट जैसे ही उसने रोड पे किसको देखा, व्हेन शी सॉ द सेम काउ दैट वाज सो जॉयस प्रीवियसली, जो उसने पहले देखा था उनके बस के सामने ऐसे भागकर आ गई थी, बट नाउ द सेम काउ वाज lying dead in front of her. The cow was lying dead on the road. Okay, and when then she saw the young cow lying dead by the roadside, okay, then she was extremely sad. All her enthusiasm or happiness turned into sadness. Okay, now she was absolutely filled with sadness on seeing her. Now the bus moved on. बस तो आगे बढ़ गई, लेकिन उसके मन में जो thoughts थे, they were haunting Wali. Okay, so Wali got terrified at the fact that how a creature so full of life can instantly turn into something horrible. जो इंसान कुछ वक्त पहले, कुछ मोमेंट पहले इतना खुश है, इतना हैप्पी है, and suddenly that person, that animal can die. She sat down silently for rest of the journey. वो पहले बहुत खुश थी जब वो जा रही थी, जब वापस आ रही थी तभी भी she was happy. But then when she saw the same cow lying dead on the road, all her happiness turned into sorrowness. So, उसके बाद वो बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं थी. But yes, अब टाइम आ चुका था, वो वापस आ चुकी थी अपने विलेज पे. But at that time also she was sad, and from town she reached again to her village. Okay, और उसके बाद पूरी जर्नी में उसने काव को देखने के बाद से बाहर भी नहीं देखा, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली शी वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन लुकिंग आउटसाइड द विंडो एनी मोर. और जब वो बस से उतरी, व्हेन द बस रीच्ड हर विलेज, इट वाज व्हाट टाइम, इट वाज 3:40 p.m. when she reached her own village. Okay, now then she again ran straight to her home, because obviously she was scared ना यार कि मेरी मम्मा कहीं उठ नहीं जाए. तो जैसे ही वो घर पे पहुंची, what she saw upon reaching home, she found her mother and aunt talking about the endless possibilities in the world outside. और वो दुनियादारी की यहाँ वहाँ की बातें कर रही है कि ये हो सकता है दुनिया में, ये possibilities हैं. Now Wali, what she did, can you make a guess what she did? For me, it's quite funny actually what she did. Wali affirmed to what her mother was saying, leaving both of them astonished. ओके, अब क्या हुआ, दोनों जो वली की मम्मा थी और जो वली की आंट थी, वो दोनों बात कर रही थी, और वली बीच में आके क्या बोलने लगी, हाँ हाँ, यस यस, अफर्म मतलब यस, ओके, पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स देना, यस यस, ओके, ओहो, यस यस. So that means two people, they are interacting, they are having their deep conversation. I am not a part of it. और मैं बीच में जाके मिडिल ऑफ द nowhere में बीच में घुस गई. Out of nowhere I reached there, and then I'm like, okay, yes yes. So that is quite funny for me. Okay, कि बीच में conversation के घुस गई वाली, and she was just 8 year old. She was just 8 years old, and she was so intelligent that she did all the journey all alone. And जब उसकी मम्मा और उसकी आंट बात कर रहे थे, तब वो बीच में जाके यस 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 क्यों बोल रही थी, ताकि वली की मदर को ये शक ना हो कि वो घर पे नहीं थी. उन्हें क्या लगना चाहिए कि वो घर पर ही थी, और केयरफुली वो उनकी बातें सुन रही थी. तभी तो वो बीच में आके यस यस बोल रही हैं. बट उसकी आंट को ये चीज बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं लगती है कि शी इज सच अ चैटर बॉक्स, कि ये बीच में आके चीजें बोल रही है. शी इज पोकिंग हर नोज इन बिटवीन. ठीक है, सो उसकी आंट ने क्या सोचा कि वली की आंट ने क्या सोचा, वलीज आंट थॉट दैट वली वाज अ चैटर बॉक्स. ओके, बट व्हाई वली वाज डूइंग इट, अगर पूछ लें आपसे तो Wali was doing it so that her mother would not think that she was not at home. So she was just pretending, and she was acting in such way that yes, she was at home and she was listening to each and everything very carefully. Okay, ये रहा बच्चों नेक्स्ट हमारा पैराग्राफ. जब वली की आंटी ने बोला that why you are poking your nose in between. Okay, so she then justified her reaction by mentioning that she was casually agreeing to what her mother was saying. बोलती no no, I'm not poking my nose. मैं poking, I am not poking my nose का मतलब I am not I am not interrupting you in between. I am not interested in your conversation. But why I'm saying it, why I'm just agreeing to what my mother said. जो मेरी मम्मी ने बोला उसने उससे agree कर रही थी. तभी उसकी आंट ने क्या बोला that you are a nose poking child, कि तुम हर जगह अपनी नाक लेकर बीच में आ जाती हो. You should mind your own business. Okay, so you are a nose poking child जो हर चीज के बीच में आके बोलते हैं, and you act like a grown up lady. Okay, but Wali only knew that what she was referring to, because after all no one knew about her bus journey. तो ठीक है, उसको लगा कि यार मेरी आंट मुझे ऐसा बोल रही है, आई एम behaving like a grown up lady, but I do not have any problem with that because I know why I did it. मैंने ऐसा क्यों करा? Because I wanted to protect myself and just wanted to pretend that I was at home only. तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जब तक लोगों को शक नहीं होता है मेरी बस जर्नी के बारे में. आई एम गुड टू डू इट. मुझे प्रिटेंड करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मेरी बस जर्नी के बारे में किसी को भी पता नहीं था. ओके. Okay, so that's all about the chapter, kids. I hope you liked it, and I hope आपको समझ में आया हो. So please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That is Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. Okay, so that's it, kids. So now, kids, I would like to tell you one more thing. जब chapter start होता था मैंने आपको बताई नहीं थी ये चीज, that yes, Wali was only a 8-year-old girl. और वो हमेशा बचपन से नई चीजों के बारे में जानना चाहती थी, बट क्योंकि उसके पास कोई नहीं था खेलने के लिए, इसलिए वो हमेशा बाहर देखा करती थी. ठीक है. और जब भी उसकी कोई फ्रेंड या कोई भी उसको आके बताता था कि वी ट्रैवल बाय बस, या हमने यहाँ पे ट्रैवल किया, या हमने यहाँ पे जर्नी करी, तो शी यूज टू गेट जेलस. वो बहुत ज्यादा जेलस हो जाती थी. तो एक बार उसकी वन ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स वेंट ऑन अ बस राइड, और उसने वली को पूरा डिस्क्राइब किया अबाउट हर बस जर्नी. So she became jealous of her, and Wali started shouting at her friend. So yes, Wali was that obsessed with bus journey. So yes, she absolutely was so courageous and so bold, being a 8-year-old kid, that she did it on her own. Okay, and kids, one more thing जो मुझे इसमें से अच्छा मॉरल सीखने को मिला है. We saw that जो cow थी, the cow was jumping here and there. The cow came in front of the bus, but then when she was coming back to her um, village, when she was coming back to her village, what she saw, that nothing is certain, right? Nothing is certain. आज जो है कल वो ना हो. So what I want to say to all my kids is, we don't know how long we are going to live, but we can decide that how much we will live in this life. So I just wanted to give you this message, this beautiful message, that it is not necessary to live long, but it is really necessary to live good and to enjoy your life as much as possible. Enjoy करने का मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं रोड पे घूमने निकल जाऊं और अपनी पढ़ाई लिखाई छोड़ दूं. That's not the case. Each and everything has its own time. अभी आपका पढ़ने का टाइम है. कोरोना है, so even it's not safe to go outside. तो बच्चों अभी ये घर पे अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, पेरेंट्स के साथ एंजॉय करो, 1 घंटा पेरेंट्स के साथ बात बात किया करो, 3 4 5 घंटे अच्छे से पढ़ाई करा करो, फिर अपनी अनअकैडमी क्लासेस देखा करो. सो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि we are just living because we are alive, right? We should try to enjoy each and every moment of life, because that's the most important thing. Okay, so thank you so much, kids. Thank you. So see you all in my special classes. So if you haven't downloaded the Unacademy Learning app still, then please download the Unacademy app right now. Search my name Divya Chandwani, and please start following me there, so you will get notification about my special classes also. So my schedule is 5:30 p.m. on YouTube. Okay, and 9:30 p.m. daily I have a special class. Okay, that is 9:30 p.m. on Unacademy Learning app. I have a special class. So I want all my students to join me at 5:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. Okay, chalo. So thank you so much, thank you so much, kids. Thank you, and please do not forget to like the video if you like the way I've explained you. जल्दी से ये वीडियो लाइक कर दो, जल्दी से अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर दो, and subscribe to our channel, that is Let's Crack 9th and 10 CBSE, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more notifications. And the most important thing, जब भी आप अनअकैडमी का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम और जल्दी से सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो, and then use my code Divya10 to get an instant discount of 10%. And please, please, please keep on showering your love on me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you all. Tada. Stay home. Stay safe. Please take care. Bye, kids. See you all. Bye.